All right, stream just started. Let's get into it here. All right, so yesterday we had a huge dump in the market. Me, currently I'm on the 4-hour. So first I'm going to start by marking out all the 4-hour highs and 4-hour lows. That's my first objective here. And for the day, really could do anything. I'd like to see how we react off this 4-hour imbalance that is currently like right here. That's what I'd like to watch for today, but I'd have to, once I scale down to the lower time frames, I can kind of see what's going on here. And we could go down further, but we're kind of in no man's land here. So that's that. Let me go to the 30-minute, and I'm going to mark out all my session highs and session lows. Let me mark that out real quick. Very nice, very nice. Okay. And there's so 18, 3, and 8:30 are the sessions. We have Chinese session, the Great Wall of China session, Crumpet session, and Jewish session, which is New York. That's the Jewish one. Okay, and then we go to the 1-hour. Look at the 1-hour. Okay, what do we see here? Okay, got this hourly imbalance. This is really what we're watching here. Focus. They're actually stacked on top of each other. But I can see our reaction to these, but we'll see. Just not going to mark those. We'll keep that in the back of our heads. Okay, now we gotta check Forex Factory, see what's going on here. What's going on with the news today? Today was CPI. Yep, today was CPI. Okay. And it was slightly bearish. Unemployment claims a little bit higher, not that much higher. So we're doing okay. We're doing okay on that. Let's see what's going on here. We have some lows here. Bunch of stacked lows. We haven't really gotten anything that would tell me which direction we're going to go in. I expect London session to manipulate a little bit, is what I expect, considering the fact we really haven't had, I guess here we had an S&T on the hourly. So we've been out previous days lows. But that happened yesterday, I think. Yeah, it happened yesterday, so I'm kind of keeping an eye on that. We'll also want to keep an eye on this right here. Actually, not really, that's just an hourly low. All this price action right here is interesting. CPI had his bull run, so really however this hourly candle closes would be good. Probably just got the 15-minute now. We got 10 minutes till market open. And we're both at the 15. Okay, no we're not. Let's go to the 15. Got these fair value gaps here, which were CPI helped us kind of go through them, but we have this 15 here, which is good. I like to see this hold and us continue to these highs. That's one possibility. That's our long possibility, I would say. And then our short possibility would be obviously if we inverse this, then inverse this, take out the lows, and then move higher. We really could do anything. I want to watch and wait and see what market open does. So I'm just going to sit here a little bit. It's bubbly. If you can see it. Pretty good. It's really raining outside my house right now. Really suck if I enter a trade and internet goes out. That'd be unfortunate. Well, while we're waiting, we could we got 8 minutes. Go over my stats for this one, for this account, for the eval stage. Okay, 16 days in, whatever. We're about to be at the lock, which is fine. One more trade. Realistically, 2 more trades and we're golden. Really, we could just take one more good trade and we could be done. That'd have to be a pretty good trade though, like a $1,300 trade. But we could. It is possible. You never know. Anything is possible. Started the first, so no trades these days. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Trade zealous looking pretty good. Really just gotta get my risk to reward up a bit here. Still got 6 minutes till market open. Kind of just watching and waiting, honestly. Next stream I'll probably put some music on to make it not as quiet. That would probably be good. More of a chill vibe. No. Should wear my sunglasses. That would be cool. I don't know what that was about. It's weird. All right. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses on. So what I pretty much want to see is a few things I want to see, and there's what's actually going to happen. So I want to see us go or want to see that, or I want to see us do that, or I want to see us do this, or we could even go up and then go down and then rebalance. We'll see here though. All right, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, 13. I'm at 13 till market open. And stream for 13 minutes. Okay. Oh, let me make sure I got my got at least one of my tabs on the other screen. For my proper risk management. Let's see here. So, yeah. These riders. All right, here we are. Market it just open. See what we want to do. All right. Here we go. So we're just going straight up. That's okay. Going straight up, going straight up, going straight up, going straight up. That's pretty good. So how we want to go? Rolls-Royce Paddock. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, 5-minute candle's looking pretty good. Not really giving me anything here. Give me like a. I don't know. Give me something maybe. I mean. Rolls-Royce Paddock. Like that market open spike kind of died a bit. Wow. Okay. Like I said, I'd love for us to tap back into this 15-minute right here. That'd be incredible. We also have lows CPI data. Just a great draw for the market. See what else we can do here. See what else we can make shake. Seems like we're a tad discorrelated, which is interesting. No, we're not that discorrelated. We're about to make a bullish on the 1 minute. I don't really care that much about the 1 minute. Rolls-Royce Paddock on a wrist line. Okay, seems like we're going down. Good, 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 good. wish we'd go down further. All I do is let's continue down a little further here would be good. Okay, nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. This is cool. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Hooray. Ideally, I want to go down further. If we could, that would be great. Rose Rise Pack. So, kind of doing the same thing. We're kind of market went up at the beginning. Now it's kind of went down a little bit, and now we actually do have an S&T divergence on the 5 minute, which is interesting. Right there. Gotta wait for it to form first, but like that SMT might get ran through. We'll see. How are we looking on the 1 minute? We're not looking too bright on a 1 minute. Which is okay. I would like to see some type of retrace here. This area is a great spot for a retrace. Ideally, yep. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so today, if we're going to take a long, it's going to be on ES. If we're going to take a short, it's going to be on NQ. That's all I know. That's what's going to happen today. What's our... Look at that 5 minute candle. Ooh-wee. Get below these lows. Equal lows. Get below. There we go. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Keep rejecting off of this 4 hour currently. Okay. HU still above, or ES is still above. This is good. This is very good, actually. This is best case scenario. Why is it best case scenario? It's best case scenario because this is my area of interest, we'll say, and then this is, I want to see how we react off of this area of interest. Ideally, yep, that'd be good. 8:40. We can't take a trade if we want in 5 minutes. We make this S&T here, it's like for sure a long. Like no doubt in my mind. Now this is what you want to see for longs, but I don't want to enter yet. I don't think we tapped into it fully. There we go. If we fully inverse this in 3 minutes, then that will tell me all I need to know to enter short. So if we enter short here, if we want to enter short, which I'm still thinking of longs, I'm leaning towards longs, but we go here, we dip back up, and then we go down. If we went for longs, we'll go something like that. That's what would be ideal. It's kind of what I'm looking for. But we did actually go under that, which is good. Go under this low right here. Kind of good that we're dumping, because then we can make this 5 minute value gap, which would be very nice. Easy to go. Okay. See what we want to do here? All right. Continuing to go down, which is fine. Let's see how this looks on the 1 minute. Still kind of downward spiral on the 1 minute. So we're going to need to see not too keen on a reversal right now, because why would we go higher? We're literally these highs. That's like really far away. So just gotta wait. As it stands right now, the 15 minute still hasn't invalidated that gap. It looks like it's about to, though. ES is catching up with NASDAQ, which is interesting. Kind of in the same spot now. Interesting. For value gap right here. In order for me to take a short, I need to see a retrace, and then I need to see pretty strong confirmation out of it for shorts. Because I still deep down. Would like to see us go higher. But lows of CPI data are looking pretty good for price. Apparently we got a bullish S&T on the 1 minute. Okay. Doesn't really mean anything. Can't take a short or a long. Price is kind of just slowly going down. There's nothing to even like debate, except for the fact that it's just slowly going down. Reaction out of this 15-minute would be incredible. Okay, we're seeing something here. Q is actually more bullish than ES now. Really want to see us go above that. No. Tapped into that. Instantly rejected. It's not a good look. Come on. Not a good look. Not a good look. ES or NQ. Not a good look at all, actually, for you. Okay. Potential entry right here is 60-point stop. That's 4 cons. It would be a continuation. Oh, we didn't quite break structure, unfortunately. I really wanted to enter there. That was probably my entry, but what can I say, bro? Like, we didn't break structure. We did get the 79% extension, but interesting. Okay. inverse here, I'm confident taking a short, but am I in the wrong contract again, bro? It saves me again. Doing it again. Saves me again. Ridiculous. Maybe. These are March. This isn't March. Like what? Why would this be March and this not be March? Doesn't make any sense. I just can't take a long until this gets inversed. Very good rejection. Interesting. Crazy good rejection. I need to see us go above this though. I really do. I need to see us be above here, at least. It's gonna screw me over. Q's always doing something, bro. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna use 10-point stop. No, 8-point stop. For an 8-point stop, we have 13 counts. Okay. Are we serious? Are we serious? Missed the entry by seconds. Well, actually, for a reversal, well, it was actually not a reversal, it was actually a continuation, but see, this is exactly what I wanted to see, which is good. It's good to see exactly what you want to see, but it's not good when you miss the trade setup. That's not good. Okay, this is a potential. $13. We get an 8-point. Okay. okay taking a loss on this one? Genuinely? But even our 1-to-1. It's 0.81. This one has potential for some movement. Magnet this. Let's mark some highs here. Give it a 5. Give it a horizontal ray. Okay. Okay, bro. Are we serious? Where's my horizontal ray? There it is. This, my friend, is what you would call a sell to here. Okay. We should be okay here. Entry was clutch. Entry was so clutch. Okay, let's go a little higher here. All right, we're about our 1-to-1. Six to what else? Where else should we sell? This is like a 1-to-2 right here, so need over a 1-to-2. Oh, okay, all right, bro. Like, yeah, bro, just like. Yeah, that's cool. All right, whatever. We got our stuff set. We got our stop in the correct spot. Yep. Okay. I mean, that's cool. Just like go down a little bit. Yep. Generational question mark. Let's see how we're moving. Oh, we kind of need this to be generational, actually. So roughly half here. So we're roughly locking in like $300 worth of profit right here, which I'm okay with. That puts us at 2K, which is just 1-to-2 RR trade away from a good entry. But this has some potential here. I'm not gonna lie, this has some crazy potential. I haven't seen this much potential in a hot minute since all of frickin' December. Here we go. I just need us to. I got 7 here, so we'll do 3 here. Thank God. Maybe I should have the wrong contract on every single time. So I think twice about entering a trade. I mean, geez, bro. Okay. Okay. Let's Let's go a little higher here. We sell another 3. We're selling 6. Okay, that's fine. Yep. We'll sell 3 here. Okay, 6. And then we just leave 1 as a runner. I like that idea. An all-day high runner. Come on, bruh. You're so close. If I get out right now, I'm like 1 good trade away from passing. Okay. All right, bro. Yeah, bro, like I'm going to get out right here. No. I'm either going to lose $500. Okay. All right, bro. No, this one has potential. This one has potential. I can see it. I know it. I'm not. No, we're not doing this today. We're not going to exit early because we're scared that we're going to lose all this money in floating profit. As of right now, currently, we are down $500. I don't care what the floating profit says on the screen. That does not matter. What matters is that we actually go up. Because if we completely inverse this here and I get no money, then I'm okay with that. That's the risk I'm willing to take. Because this trade was definitely worth $500. If yesterday's trade was worth $500, this one's worth $500. Okay? I know we're pretty much at the 1-to-1 right now. But I don't care. I really don't. We could... I just want to make sure we don't SMT. Our stop is very well protected right now. I swear, if we completely reverse here, it'll be crash out season. It'll be crash out season. It will be crash out season. It will be. But I think this one has some potential. That push off the 15-minute. Beautiful. What we've been waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for. Okay. All right. Let's I really don't want this 5-minute to flip bearish again. Actually, we get a 1.5 there. That's like 750. Yeah, bro. Like, yeah, dude. Like this. I'm not touching. No. Hands off the keyboard. We are hitting the sell limit, or we're hitting our stop loss. This isn't good. I'm not going to micromanage. No, this is perfect. This is fantastic, actually. Okay, that's not fantastic at all. We're going to inverse and we're going to make no money. No, we're literally just consolidating to move price higher. Okay, we're fine. Okay, bro. About right. Now, if we inverse this down here, let's manage this right. If we lose this, I'm okay losing this, bro. Genuinely, like, this is fine. We're fine here, bro. We're fine here. We're fine here, bro. Okay? That's what you like to see. They get so nervous about it. I've seen this hundreds of times. This goes up. It always goes up. It never ends with us going down. When we're right next to these highs. What it does is it sweeps these. It'll probably create a bullish SMT right here with these lows. and we'll continue higher. But you gotta stand strong during these pullbacks, unless we just completely tank price, which in that case that would be really unfortunate. I really hope that doesn't happen. If it does, I'm okay. It's just an evaluation account. It's not that big of a deal. But it would really suck. It still hurts. I'm not going to exit here. I'm holding this line, bro. I'm holding this line. What were we up? We were up, literally at one point, we were up like, we were over our 1-to-1. But you know what? I don't care. I do not care. You know why I don't care? Because that's what we call turtle soup. I need us to push up right now. Come on. Come on. That was some good turtle soup. Come on. All right, bro. It's either going to go up or it's going to go to my stop loss, and there's nothing else I can do about it. It's consolidating. Moving down. Okay, bro. All right. What's funny is I have a good feeling about this one. I have a great feeling about this one. Maybe we should adjust it so that maybe we take 9 out here. That might be a good idea. Remember how we were so hyped because we knew it was a good trade? Remember back in the day? Remember when I held the line? Remember how the 5-minute completely validated? Remember how we completely validated the 5-minute gap? Remember that? Remember how we're about to make an SMT? Okay. All right. All right, bro. Like, when I'm with you, I don't wanna be with you. This is supposed to be the golden child. Well, can't win them all, I guess. I mean, how in the world did we reverse like that, dude? That was my choice to hold the line. I should have taken my 1-to-1. Been on my jolly way. I take full responsibility. It was the trade to pass the account. It was the chosen trade. It literally was the chosen trade, but it was actually the chosen trade. That's insane. All ES had to do was move up 2 points. That's all it had to do. Now I'm sitting here. I don't know if it hurts. Wanna have control. I wish I was special. So very special. But I'm a creep. Ooh, stab to the hearts. Oh my gosh, bro. What the $600, dude? Come on. You cannot be serious. How are we going to fully reverse off that, man? How without even sweeping the high? That's just ridiculous, dude. I mean, just absurd. Obscene, bro. Come on. I mean, so close. So close. And then fails to do it. Well, looks like we pretty much took a loss today. I mean, yeah, dude. I mean, we had it all there. We had money in the bag, but I cannot believe that. All right, well, that's it for the day.